this has become the order of the day after the BJP has come to power. See, the opposition parties were protesting. For what? For not their self-interest, for not their political interest. It is a nation's issue. In a democratic country, when something is happening that the ordinary citizens' voting right is totally deprived of, what is the big idea of a person being here without having the right to elect a government of his choice? So the SIR, which was being implemented by the Election Commission first in Bihar and to be followed in other states, that would be a very big damage, harm to the opposition parties, especially because the votes that are deleted, they were not given the list of the voters or the reasons for having deleted, even after the direction of the Supreme Court. So we were protesting, at least we want to have a discussion. It doesn't mean that they are all above discussion. We can discuss about everything on the floor of the House. The Parliament is supreme as far as debating forum is concerned. So we were protesting that only the ruling party is responsible for the stalemate of the Parliament this session because they never came forward for a debate. So also the bills were passed in the din. And yesterday, what the bill that was introduced, the 3 bills in the Lok Sabha, and now that it has been showed as sending to a JPC. What is in JPC also they will be having a majority. What is the basic purpose of that bill? It's totally draconian. It's not a democratic country. In a democratic country, how can you just for no reason without trial or conviction, a chief minister or a minister, union minister can be expelled from their position? What is the law? Is it a democratic country? These questions are all have arisen and we will now have to take it up to the people.